Welcome back, Slingshot owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our dual horn kit for the 2020 and up Polaris Slingshot models. The stock Slingshot single horn setup is not very loud in our opinion, and may fail to grab the attention of distracted drivers when you're out on the open road. So to address this issue, we're happy to introduce our dual horn kit for the 2020 and newer Polaris Slingshot models. This dual horn setup is available with either black or red horns and features a plug-and-play design as well as all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. Once the dual horns are installed, you'll notice a substantial decibel increase in comparison to stock. So now that you know what this mod is and what it can do for you, allow me to walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2020 Slingshot R model. Start by unplugging your factory horn, and then use a T30 Torx to unscrew and remove it. Now take the new horn and use one of the new screws from the kit to mount it up in the same location, making sure that the horn opening is facing the same direction as the factory horn you just removed. Next, take the new harness from the kit and plug it into the OEM harness that we previously unplugged from the factory horn. Then plug one pair of spade connectors into the back of the horn we just installed, and it doesn't matter which one goes to which. Now take the threaded U-clip and place it directly over the same mounting hole on the opposite side of the center headlight bracket, with the threaded end facing in. Then plug in your other horn, and remember, it doesn't matter which connector goes to which. Then mount it up to the headlight bracket using the new bolt from the kit, and making sure that the horn is firing in the same direction as your other horn. Now you can turn on the ignition to test the horn, and if everything looks good, you can go back through and zip tie your wiring so that it's up and out of the way of any and all moving parts. And there you have it, folks. So if you'd like to take your 2020 and newer Polaris Slingshot from this to this, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a dual horn kit for your sling. Now, if you like what you saw here today, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.